So I have elementary volleying. So we're going to be playing Little Caterpillar. How to play. Form a little caterpillar with 5 students in each caterpillar. When making the little caterpillar, each person should be an arm's length away from the person sitting in front of them. So when we swing, we don't want to hit our partner. We don't want to hurt anyone. Each little caterpillar gets their own leaf balloon. So each group gets one balloon, just like this one here. Each little caterpillar moves around, trying to keep the leaf balloon in the air. Each little caterpillar can only use their upper body to hit the balloon. And you want to keep the leaf from hitting the ground, or it'll break, and you don't want that since you're a caterpillar. So the cues: setting, so eyes on the ball, hands up, fingers out, look through the window, and head up. So if you look here, the ball comes in, they have their eyes on the ball, they have their fingers they have their hands up and their fingers out, and then they look through the window, and then they hit the ball up. So bump, eyes on ball, hands together, arms straight, forearms up, and swing through. So if you look here, they have their eyes on the ball, they have their hands together, their arms are straight, their forearms are up, and then they swing through. So modifications, so we could add scooters so it is easier for students who have limited mobility to move. So that, say a person has a hard time scooting around on their butt, having a scooter would make it easier for them to move around. Have the students be in a circle instead of a line, and have them sit still. So if a student's still having trouble with a scooter moving around, it'd be easier to have everyone just sit still, so no one has to worry about moving. Allow the students to catch the ball and then set the ball. So if students are struggling to hit the ball accurately, or just in general, let them catch the ball and then focus on the technique. Allow the students to use some lower body parts. So if a person has limited mobility in their upper extremities, let them use, say, a leg or a foot or something like that to hit the ball. Extensions would be to add more balloons, or if they get good enough, you can add a ball. It'll make it harder than a balloon. If they're really good, then you can have them volley the balloon while moving through a course. So it doesn't have to be extensive, just maybe moving between cones or something like that. And then another extension would be having everyone be in larger groups instead of 5, maybe 7 to 10, so that more people get a chance to hit the ball. And it's very important that the balloons are not latex, so that anyone with a latex allergy doesn't get affected. So that's why if you come up here, this ball is I think it's called like a foil balloon, foil helium balloon.